Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Phantom wallet account. To do this, firstly you'll have to go to your Phantom app. Once you open the app, you're given two options: to create a new wallet or to import an existing wallet. If you don't have an account yet, you may tap on create a new wallet, follow the prompts and create an account. However, if you do have an account, then you may tap on import an existing wallet to log into that account. Now, to log in to my existing account, I will be tapping on the import an existing wallet option. Then here, they will ask you if you want to protect your wallet by adding any biometrics like your Face ID. If you want to add that, then you may tap on the button next to Face ID to turn it on and then tap on next to proceed. However, if you don't want this, you may tap on next straight away to skip this. Once you do that, then the app asks you if you want to import your wallet, which means log into your wallet through your secret recovery phrase or your private key or connect with your hardware wallet. Here, the easiest step would be to enter your secret recovery phrase to log into your account. You may tap on import secret recovery phrase option. Once you tap on that, a text box appears where you will have to enter your secret recovery phrase. Here, if you have copied it to your clipboard, you may just paste it on the text box. Once you do that, then you may tap on import secret phrase button in purple. This will help you successfully log you in to your account. Lastly, the app asks you if you agree to the terms of service of this app. You may tap on the circle right above the Get Started button to agree to the terms of service. Once you do that, then you may tap on the Get Started button to successfully log in to the account. This is how you can simply log into your Phantom wallet account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.